So if you want to go and look at the time lapse right here from the beginning, this white car is already halfway in, but it takes them 31 seconds to completely disappear halfway. I'm going to speed up just a little bit. Well, I guess I'll just leave it like this. And that's where I enter, and if you look at the time lapse once again, it takes me 47 seconds till my car disappears from the camera. And right there you'll be able to also see my daylight runners. Those are my daylight runners, not brake lights. And then you'll see the Mercedes behind me somehow speeds up right there at 47 seconds. You speed him up and he disappears within 28 seconds. You see right there, he just shoots out towards my car. So how's that possible if supposedly he never hit the gas or put it in drive? Fourth vehicle, same thing. If you want to keep the time lapse, it takes this Honda 46 seconds to disappear. From camera. And the final vehicle, from the starting point, it takes them 40 seconds. And he doesn't even finish because the camera cuts off. But just the fact that it takes each car about 48 seconds to disappear from camera, especially with that white van, the first car that was noted there, he was halfway and it took that car 31 seconds. But yet the Mercedes, for some reason, time-lapse showing is only 28 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and set the same video. I'm going to fast forward it though for you guys. You'll be able to see what I'm referring to as how he launches towards the black BMW, which is my car. See how slow that is going? Slow again. And yet right here you'll see the Mercedes just launches. Every car is going slow except that Mercedes.